Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by, and for my old subscribers, thank you as well. So we are going to be making a flan. So if you want to know how we made this recipe, keep watching, stay tuned and keep watching. Here I have my granulated sugar, my eggs, vanilla extract, evaporated milk, sweet condensed milk, and let's get started. Let's start by making our caramel first. In your stove, you put on your pot and put it on a medium heat, then add your sugar. Make sure you break down some of the sugar. Next, I'll be pouring in little water into the sugar. I'll mix it up. So you have to be careful with this because it can get burnt. Then we'll allow it to sit for some minutes. When it starts turning like a golden brown, our caramel is almost ready. This is the consistency you want your caramel to look like. So I'll turn off the stove. As you can see, this is how you want it to look like. So I'll pour it into the pan I'm going to be using. So I'm using this pan, this bread pan, but you can use the round pan, the type for the cake. I'm gonna coat it all around with the caramel, but you need to be very careful to avoid burns. So this is it. We are done with making our caramel. As you can see, this is our caramel. So we'll just let it sit. And next we'll move to the next phase by making the pudding. I'm going to put in my eggs in here. I will pour in my evaporated milk. So make sure you use a spoon to scrape everything out of the can. So I'm done with that. So next you want to add your vanilla. I use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Before then, you can use any blender of your choice, but I prefer to use this one to make it very fast. So let's start. So I want to blend it for just 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let's get these ones out of the way. So it's 1 minute already. I'm going to be pouring it into this strainer to get rid of any particle at the bottom. Okay, looks nice, looking all good. And to our caramel, we are gonna be pouring in what we just blended. So we are going to be using a foil to cover the top, and it's going to be going into the oven. But before then, you need to preheat your oven to 350 for 1 hour. And this is another baking pan, a smaller one. I'll put it here, then add some water. More water. This is enough. So we're gonna be putting it in our oven to steam or to cook for like 350 degree for 1 hour. After baking for 1 hour, this is what we got. So we're going to allow it to sit in the room temperature to get cool. Before then, let's run a knife at the sides of the flan. So, and also you can just keep it in your refrigerator, your fridge for some hours, like 8 hours or overnight, before you take a bite or eat them. After 1 hour of sitting in room temperature, you're going to transfer it to the plate. So this, you have to be careful so that it doesn't mess up, and flip it to the other side. Voila, this is what we have. So this is what we have. Let's cut it out. So thank you for watching. I hope you try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. Share this with your friend and your family. Bye guys.